TV.com.
Well, preserve the original park or make changes to it. That's the controversy the city of Fairhope is dealing with when it comes to Knoll Park.
Local 15's Christina Zverjako explains how it appears this 50-year argument isn't dying down anytime soon.
Greg, Kim, this is not the first time the city of Fairhope has taken up the issue of Knoll Park, but today's city leaders once again heard from the public. Swaying peacefully on this rainy day, one who isn't familiar with Fairhope's Knoll Park might never guess that these tall trees are the center of a drawn-on argument.
We know this is a very passionate issue. This is something that's been talked about for 50 years in the city of Fairhope.
In a special session, Fairhope City Council decided it is time once again to try to figure out whether Knoll Park should be preserved as is or if it should be groomed as other parks in Fairhope.
We know that about probably half this crowd is going to come down on one side of the fence and maybe half's going to come down on the other side of the fence. And we just ask you to be civil, respectful of your neighbors. We're still one city. We're going to walk out of here. We're going to be one city.
Person after person, testimony after testimony, the committee heard opinion from both sides.
Yes, there could be some boundaries to dress it up a little bit, but what's wrong with having something that looks natural and unique to our city?
Why isn't it like it used to be? And I hope the council will agree to make it like what it is, with beautiful flowers.
And even 2 hours into the session, there was still no clear answer about the future of Knoll Park.
One thing is for sure, it's a public park. And whatever we do with the park, we need to keep in mind that it's for all the public of the city.
The council chose not to vote tonight, but as City Council President Jack Burrell told us, when they do vote, it will decide the future of Knoll Park forever. Live in our Baldwin County Bureau, Christina Zverjako, Local 15 News.
Christina, thank you.